Arkadaşlar merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Merhaba Maşa.
Merhaba.
What is our grammar topic today?
We continue learning locative eki.
But we learn something about that, something new.
Yes, today we are learning consonant voicing.
Sert sessizlerin yumuşaması. Okay, what is this?
In Turkish, some voiceless consonants become voiced when a vowel initial suffix is added. This process is called consonant voicing or consonant softening.
Okay, great. Let's see on the board. So, this is the last letter. If last letter, one of them, so normally we use the locative like that, but it is changing. Sınıfta. But don't focus too much, because in time you just feeling that. This kind of, we can say that it's kind of consonant harmony. In time you just feeling the right consonant. So let's look in example how it works. So now I leave these things here, but in time I want you just try to feeling. For example. Okay, try this one, Masha.
Çocuklar sokakta.
And next one, makarna, tabak is plate. Try this one.
Makarna tabakta.
Let's have a look next one. Çorba, soup. Try.
Çorba bardakta.
This one.
Masa mutfakta. So we can add K to our list of letters.
Oh, we forget that. You are right. You are very careful. Nice.
Oh, great.
Thank you. Okay, next one. What about this one?
Pantolon dolapta.
Hediye, gift. Package. So try this one.
Hediye pakette.
Great. Okay. Now I'm erasing here. I'm erasing also rule. I want you to try to feeling, okay? Burayı siliyorum. Even you make mistake, people still understand you. But of course we have to do right way. Okay. Next example. Çiçek, flower. Big mistake. Plural, çiçekler. Okay, try this one.
Çiçekler parkta.
This one.
Para cepte. Really not comfortable to say cepte.
Hı hı. Pekala. Kelebek. Butterfly. Gömlek is short. Try this one.
Kelebek, gömlekte.
Hı hı. Kitap is book. Kitaplar plural form. Çocuk, child. So, try this one.
Kitaplar, çocukta.
Actually, here is the meaning a little bit different. Not books on the child. The child has the books. Gibi. Like that.
Okay.
So depend the meaning. Sometimes.
Like a location of books.
Yeah, location, but sometimes meaning changing. We have to translate this way. Yastık, pillow. Yatak, bed. Try.
Yastık, yatakta.
Okay. Try this one.
Kitaplar, dolapta.
Great. Araba, car. Plural form. Sokak, street. Okay, try this one.
Arabalar, sokakta.
Meyve suyu, fruit juice. Bardak is glass. Try this one.
Meyve suyu, bardakta.
Great. Tamam, burayı siliyorum. Okay, I'm erasing here. Let's make a little bit mix exercise. Yumurta, egg. Let's make plural. Masa, table. Okay, try this one.
Yumurtalar, masada.
Okay, this one.
Ayşe, markette.
Try this one.
Otobüsler, caddede.
Sepet, basket. Try this one.
Çiçekler, sepette.
Köpek, dog. Plural form, köpekler. Bahçe, garden. Try this one.
Köpekler, bahçede.
Memur, officer. Memurlar, plural form. Okay. Try this one.
Memurlar, ofiste.
Great. Okay. Arkadaşlar bugünlük burada duruyoruz. Umarım sizin için de faydalı olmuştur. Sonraki derste görüşmek üzere.